Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ernest. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upgrade or downgrade your Node.js package on Windows. If you are on Mac, you can follow the exact same steps and you are going to achieve the same results. So let's get started. First off, I'm going to pull up my terminal and let me go ahead and check the current version of Node.js that my PC is running. I'm going to go ahead and run Node-v. And here you can see the current version of Node that we are running. Now let me go ahead and close that out. And now I'm going to head over to my favorite browser and I'm going to search for Node.js. Search for Node.js right there. And here you can see that Node.js. And then of course I'm going to try to go with the first option that comes from nodejs.org. So I'm going to click on the first option right here. And I have a couple of options. I can click on Get Node.js right here. I can also click on the download option from the menu bar. So let me go ahead and click on this button right here. And here is the download page for Node.js. Now you can see Get Node. Click here to select the actual version of Node that you are looking for. If I want to upgrade, I'll definitely download a later version. And if I want to downgrade, I'll obviously download an earlier version. You can see the earlier versions right here. You can scroll all the way down to download earlier versions. But now I want to upgrade. So let's say I want to upgrade to version 24. So I'm going to click on the 24 right here. Now for the operating system, you can go ahead and click here and select the exact operating system. So that's the reason why I said those on Mac can as well follow the steps in this video. So I'm on Windows and I'm going to select Windows. And over here, you're going to select the package if you want npm or yarn or pnpm, right? So I love npm, so I'm going to leave it at npm and I'll scroll all the way down and I can go ahead and click on Windows installer, the .msi file. So I'm going to click on that. And here the download has just started right away. And yeah, it's done already. So I'm going to click on it right away. Let's go ahead and install it. And yeah, the installation wizard has just started. It says welcome to Node.js. So I'm going to click on next. And here, of course, I have to agree to the terms and conditions. And also go ahead and click on next. And for the destination folder, I'm okay with this. This is basically the default destination folder for installing Node.js. If you have any reason to change that, go ahead and click on change and select the absolute destination folder for your installation. But I'm good with that, so I'm going to click on next. For the custom setups, I'm going to leave it at Node.js runtime and I'll click on next. And over here for native models tools, I'm not going to do that. I will leave this unselected and I'm going to select next. And on the next one, we are fully ready to go ahead with the installation. So I'll click on install right now. And yeah, the installation just started. So guys, the installation is now completed. As you can see right here, Node.js has been successfully installed. So I'll go ahead and click on finish. And let's confirm if we have successfully upgraded our Node.js version. So let me pull up our terminal again. While I go ahead and run Node-v once again. And yeah, you can see that right there, we now have the Node version 24.14.0. So we've successfully upgraded the Node version right here. And you can also take the same steps to downgrade the version of your Node installation. You're going to want to click the link in the description of this video if you want to learn how to upgrade or also downgrade the PHP version of your XAMPP installation. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. And also, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.